Hi again everyone, Sophie's back with a little more information about our beloved vacuum cleaners. This is one of the main tools we're going to use on board, and just some little tips are make sure you're checking the bags and put it on your monthly checklist to have a look and make sure inside here that the bags are not filling up, otherwise it could break the machine or be a fire hazard. What you can also do in here to make it smell quite nice is you can put a softener sheet over the air vent and it will pump out some really nice smelling air. You've also got your accessories, and if you are going to use the dust brush on a varnished surface, I highly suggest you wrap the end around with a microfiber and a lacquer band to stop scratching anything, because everything on a yacht is very expensive. And then of course you've got your vacuum head, making sure that you're using the correct surface for the correct level for the correct surface. And always turn the vacuum off before you take the plug out of the wall, please, so you don't piss off the engineer.